Set the mood anytime with Govee Home app. From cozy vibes to focused lighting, all at your fingertips. Tree zone independent lamp with 5 lighting combinations tailored for every space and lifestyle.
You say everywhere.
Features a large area dynamic ripple effect on the upper section. RGBIC LEDs on the side with a semicircular textured shade for layered lighting and bright, warm, cool white light below. The dynamic ripple effect adds depth and calm, a touch of spatial beauty that draws you in. Lighting that matches your natural rhythm from morning wake up to nighttime wind down, supporting a healthier daily cycle.